Have you ever seen an artist whip up a beautiful floral painting in no time and you wonder how in the world were they able to achieve that? Where do artists come up with these unique ideas? How do I create a painting that flows beautiful and less like a big blotty mess? You really wish you could create something as beautiful and effortlessly as this painting that you're admiring? If this sounds like you, you're in the right place and you should watch this video until the end. What if I told you that you can create dozens of beautiful florals in just 15 minutes? People always feel that they have to have technical drawing skills to achieve a floral painting. Well, this is why it's called abstract floral. I'm going to teach you how to add those abstract components where when you're looking at it, you see a flower, but you didn't actually draw the flower to get there. It's just simply layering and applying your colors in a way that you're creating an illusion. It's like magic, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Hi, my name is Yvette St.Amant, and even though I've been painting for 30 years, I can honestly say that, like you, I have struggled with loosening up my style and doing abstract florals. When I first started painting florals, I struggled to know where to begin, what colors to put together, and how to create a beautiful composition using just the right tools. And now my goal is to help others so they don't have to struggle like I did. As someone who paints a lot, and I paint a lot, I'm here to tell you that I have finally figured out a system to create beautiful abstract florals in a very simple, easy way. My 15-minute floral abstract masterclass breaks down the process of creating abstract florals in easy step-by-step lessons. My method works, and I guarantee it's going to work for you too. I've spent many years and a lot of money in school getting my degree in fine arts so that I can learn to do paintings like this. Funny thing is, I came out of that degree not even knowing how to do this. I didn't realize there were so many other ways to create paintings. I thought I had to stick with how I was taught, and I never really went outside the box. It wasn't until I started licensing and publishing my artwork that I realized I had to change the way I was painting. I had to develop a system where I could turn around multiple pieces of artwork very quickly. And guess what? I'm sharing that system with you. So here's a summary of what you're gonna get. When you sign up, you're gonna get 16 paintings that you're gonna learn how to paint in less than 15 minutes. But when you join today, you're going to get an additional 16 paintings with a little bit more advanced techniques on how you can increase and improve your floral abstract painting skills. That's over 32 floral paintings that you're going to create with me. We're going to cover all the basics of floral abstract. Everything from getting started with your supplies to setting yourself up for success. In the end, you're going to graduate to painting large, beautiful florals. The best part about this bundle is I'm even going to share how you can explore abstract florals in a way that you're creating collections. So even though each floral abstract that you're creating looks completely different, or maybe we're using a different technique, you're going to have a beautiful collection that you can display in any room or give as a gift that look great together. The beautiful thing about the 15-minute floral masterclass is in part one, we're going to be really loose with just expressing ourselves with simple brush strokes and color blocking. As we move to part two of the course, we're going to get a little more expressive and you're going to start seeing recognizable flowers. I put countless hours painting and filming into these courses, and I promise you it's going to change the way you think about painting florals. In all my courses, I provide a downloadable PDF with a list of supplies, and I also provide an additional video explaining all the supplies that you're going to need. You'll also gain access to my supportive community, where it's filled with thousands of students who are taking my courses just like you. And most of all, you'll be able to share your artwork and get some help along the way. With these classes in your arsenal, you will be creating amazing, beautiful abstract florals that you're going to be proud of in no time. If this sounds interesting, click the button below and get started today. I look forward to seeing you in class.